I'm sorry, what were you saying?
He didn't even read the objection.
Who's this?
The judge.
Right.
That got handed him.
Right.
To the objection to dismiss. And he didn't even read it. And I did say I want to get this on record.
Right.
The significance of my associate's case against Thomas P. Dorey will be shown shortly. But let's just say at this point that as a government attorney, I espoused open government, and I'm alarmed when I don't see it. So too is Neil Garfield over at Living Lies, another mortgage journal. Now, as I stood there the other day in Judge Deasy's bankruptcy courtroom, I distinctly heard the Chapter 13 trustee, Larry Sumsky, complain. Well, he decried the fact that, as he calls it, the debtor had a cohort who dared to put some of these issues onto YouTube. That tells me that we're doing something right with exposing these issues through video. Why is he more concerned about that than he is about potential B10 fraud by Harmon Law Offices? Why does the government ignore things like Citibank money laundering? I exposed that, but I haven't really seen any real harm come to them because of it. Now then, let's return to the Wetzelberger-Dorey case, shall we? This is a crucial case for everyone in the whole country who's following the mortgage crisis because in this case, he got an attorney to admit under oath that he has no first-hand knowledge of anything that's crucial to the case. So this is something that we need to look at. You know, you've got robo-signatures and fraudulent activity going on throughout the country, and we need to monitor it. It's something that is a tool that should be used by litigants in future endeavors.
Here's kingcast.net, mortgage movies. We're dropping off a follow-up letter. Just the FOIA request. Good morning. I wanted to leave this here. This is a follow-up. We are in a federal building. You're a public servant, right? I don't understand where. Do you have some case law or something that indicates that I have to get your permission to record something in a public building? And I'm going to check the law before I publish it, but I don't believe you have that authority.
You know, he didn't even look at my objection.
Ms. Crapo, who is foreclosing on your property?
Federal National Mortgage, I think they call it, referred as Fannie Mae.
Okay, is that a servicer?
No, I don't think so. I think JP Morgan Chase is the servicer.
Okay.
Or other way around, I'm not really sure. It's confusing because one time they say they are and the next time they say they're not, that they're servicing for somebody else.
So sitting here right now today, you don't know who's foreclosing on your property?
Pretty much. He didn't even read the objection.
Who's this?
The judge.
Right.
That got handed him.
Right.
To the objection to dismiss. And he didn't even read it. And I did say I want to get this on record.
Right.
And he said, well, there would be no purpose of it unless you want to switch it from a Chapter 13 to a Chapter 7.
So the only option you got today then from the court was, my understanding was that the court said your remedy lies in state court, A, and B, that they will give you 2 weeks or so to convert to a
7, if I choose.
Mm-hmm. Do you have any thoughts on that right now? And what does this mean for you in your life?
My life's ruined. I have no house. I have to be out of it at some point. And just feel like the court didn't do its job. The trustee didn't do its job.
And what do you mean by that? Why do you say that?
They're letting this happen to tons of people, that they're not looking for all the information on the proof of claims. They're just doing the little bit that they have to and then tell you it's your job to do it.
Mm-hmm. And by that, as I understand, you've never seen a verified chain of custody for anything, the note mortgage, nothing?
Nothing.
Mm-hmm. Interesting. And at some point, I understand, did you try to make some type of alternative arrangements with the original lender?
I tried making a loan mod with them, and I got denied the first time, submitted more information, and never got a denial, never got anything from them.
And who was that?
That
What
was
lender?
from Chase.
Okay. I think I heard you say in court that you were trying to do things like that and trying to get it straight. And basically the court was saying that, well, you know what, too bad, so sad, hard cheese, you're here now.
Right.
Doesn't matter what you tried to do before.
Right.
Doesn't matter if they didn't bargain in good faith before.
Right.
Yeah.
They don't care about that.
That's the way it is.
Yep. So among everybody else that's having illegal foreclosures and nothing we can do on it.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, well, I'm just going to respectfully decline that right now, and I'm going to check the law before I publish it. But I don't believe you have that authority or to make me turn it off.
Thank you.
But if I could get a follow-up to that FOIA request, I'd appreciate it greatly. Thank you. I don't believe she has that authority. You know, nobody wants to talk about any of this.
No, and you know what? She had a little note. She was looking for it.
Right.
Just in case you happened to show up again or something.
Yeah, I didn't see that. Yeah, she was kind of reading from the note, and I tried to get it. I may have it on film. I don't know what it said.
I don't know either.
Right.
I thought it said do not video.
Right.
But I wasn't. But I don't know what she was. She was looking at something and reading from something.
Right. We're gonna find out.
You know what I mean?